Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 update error message 0xc1900204. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it guys. Click on S. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine and expand the software and expand the Microsoft and expand the Windows. Scroll down, Windows, expand it, and you just need to click on the current version guys. At this point you just need to know the file path location. In my video I will zoom in guys. After checking it, on right side you just need to double click on the program file dir, double click on it, and you just need to change this value to my value given in my description. You just need to copy and paste it in guys. You just need to copy and paste here, and after pasting it click on OK for save changes and go back. For save changes take effect you just need to restart your PC guys. For that go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, try to update your Windows. Hopefully your problem will be resolved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.